The time is 6 a.m. Welcome to the WA1WXL repeater.
We sold it, and I bought a new place up 107 over here, going toward Irwin, and I can't get to it. All the bridges are out. Big bridges, I-26 at Irwin, Interstate 26. That bridge is out. So who knows when everything will get back to where through traffic can go.
Yeah, I think it's going to be weeks before all that happens. We're worried about our son that's a student at Western Carolina. We can't get in touch with him. His phone was working at the beginning of this, but then there's no more service up there, and his battery's probably dead. We tried to get a message to him. Got a ham radio operator in Charlotte that tried to reach out to him via text and try to call, but there's nothing.
And he's at Western Carolina?
Correct. He's at Western Carolina. We're thinking about trying to get out there today. All those kids, they ain't going to have no water nor nothing, you know. We're trying to get them back home.
Oh, of course, of course. I'm sure he's fine. Just believe that he is, and just be patient. When you travel, don't get overexcited and do anything. Of course, you know, you seem like you got a level head. I'm not telling you anything you don't already know, but I'm sure the local authorities there at the university have got cool heads too, so you just pray that everything's good that way and you can get him home. I pray that you get him home quick too.
Thanks for the prayers, my friend. I really appreciate that.
All right. Just take care over there. This is unprecedented, obviously, and people have gone through this kind of stuff before in this country and in the world. We just take it minute by minute if we have to, day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, but we'll get through it, God willing. Take care. Good talking to you, and be careful yourself, okay?
Thanks, my friend. Good talking with you. This is KB4WNC.
All right, take care. Kilo Echo 4, Whiskey, Mike, Lima.
Comment.
Go ahead.
That Novoseka Dam broke last night at about 11:50 p.m.
Completely gone?
Roger, roger.
Is this Larry?
Yeah, it is. I got a message, and I saw it on one of the news stations that it took out the actual highway bridge, too.
Oh, my God. You want to go over to Simplex?
Yeah, where do you want to go to?
Just go to 14655 if you don't care.
Okay.
All right, KE4WML.
This is KK4NKQ. I know we're on battery backup, but does anyone know if Asheville Airport is open? I have to pick up my wife.
I don't know for a fact. It's KB4WNC, but I heard last night that it was closed.
Clear.
KB4WNC 84C. Can you relay that other station's question? I couldn't make him out in the audio.
KB4WNC, he asked if the Asheville Airport is open. He was supposed to pick up his wife.
QSL. I've got phone service. I can see what the news says real quick.
That'd be great. Thanks.
Larry, are you still over here? KE4WNL. KE4WNL. AK4C, station requesting if the Asheville Regional Airport is open. As of 7 hours ago, they were open, however, their phone service is down.
This is KB4WNC, Candler. Thank you for the information on the airport.
Clear.
I missed your transmission, but if mine's making it into the repeater now, I'll up my power and adjust it a bit. The actual airport is open, however, phones and internet are down, AK4C, or that was the update on their social media page as of 6 hours ago.
Roger, roger. Asheville Airport is open, phone and internet is down. KB4WNC.
Roger that. This is KK4NKQ. I heard you. Thank you very much. Showing clear. This is KQ4NIH. Radio check. KK4NKQ.
KM4FLC. Anyone have a
KO4GSM, monitoring station and standby.
Hey Larry, are you still on Mount Mitchell KE4WML? Hey Larry, are you still on Mount Mitchell KE4WML?
KO4GSM, good morning.
KQ4 NIH radio check over.
This is Kilo Oscar 4, Golf Sierra Mike, Steve in York, South Carolina, coming in loud and clear.
Thank you for the feedback. This is Kilo November 4, Mike Victor Hotel monitoring.
This is Kilo Oscar 4, Golf Sierra Mike, good morning.
Good morning. Just a correction. They reported that the Nolichucky Bridge had collapsed yesterday. The dam had collapsed. It has not yet.
Where is this located?
Near Asheville Highway, just south of Greene County. I was watching the news just a little bit ago. It's an imminent code red possibility of the dam collapsing, but it has not collapsed as of yet.
Copy that. What is your call sign?
Kilo November 4, Mike Victor Hotel. The name is Larry, Lima Alpha Romeo Yankee in Greene County.
Good morning, Larry. His name is Steve. I'm down in York, South Carolina. We have no power here, but I have phone and internet, so I was just listening last night and trying to help relay some calls, and thought I'd sit in here today and listen out. There's been a lot of good communication here, trying to get in touch with. We've got family members up there that we can't get a hold of, and so trying to just help out there this morning. KO4GSM, back to you.
Roger. I know one of our club members here was trying to reach somebody in Burnside, North Carolina, because he has a brother and some family there, and he was trying to reach somebody. I don't know the name, so.
Yeah, we've got family members we were looking for in Burnsville, North Carolina. And I've got an operator up there in Burnsville that's supposed to contact me this morning. So hoping we can hear from them. I know it's pretty bad up there.
Roger. I guess that's where this person was trying to reach somebody as well. Our club member, last name of Drummond, was trying to reach somebody in Burnsville as well. So.
All right,
thanks for the information, and hope you have a good day. I'm going to be monitoring the frequency today. Kilo November 4, Mike Victor Hotel from KO4 GSM, 73. 73.
Debian for TMR monitoring frequency.
Bradley, Larry, can you go to call 55?
W4HUE, am I hitting the repeater? W4HUE, am I hitting the repeater?
KB4WNC, 5 and 9, 5 and 9.
Great, thank you. I'm wondering if anybody listening in the Weaverville area has any idea what's happening with our water. Our entire neighborhood water supply is cut off, over.
I haven't heard, my friend, but there's several in our ham club that's in Weaverville. They may be listening in.
So reservoir went out?
Repeat your last transmission.
Was a reservoir breached?
I am not aware of that.
All right, let me put out a call here. Anybody in the Weaverville area know anything about the water supply here in Weaverville, W4HUE? Heard. Well, thank you, sir. W4HUE clear.
Kilo November 4, Mike Victor Hotel monitoring.
Debian for TMR monitoring.
You've got a little bit of noise, but you're perfectly readable. W4RRJ.
W4RRJ, N1CIS, name's Scott Cameron. I've got a unlicensed over on Spidey again. He's trying to get some information about over behind the Owen Middle. He's got some family over there. He's really interested in where he could figure out how to get anybody that resides in the Owen Middle area. How they're doing over there.
You went way down in the noise. I didn't hear everything you said. It sounded like you wanted to know about Swannanoa. I'm up in Madison County, so I'm probably about 30 miles away, so I don't really know anything going on up there. We don't have any power or internet up here. Sorry, can't help. W4RRJ.
W4RRJ. Any better here?
Yeah, it's a little bit better, but you still have a lot of noise.
Okay, I'll try to move in there again. She's wanting to know about over in Owen Middle, so if anybody can copy over in the Owen Middle School area, be greatly appreciated if you can come back over here. N1CIS. Nothing heard. N1CIS clear. Try again after a while.
Kilo Delta 4, Whiskey Alpha Papa. This is KO4 GSM, South Carolina. Do you have a copy? Kilo Delta 4, Whiskey Alpha Papa. Scott, this is Steve in South Carolina. Kilo Oscar 4, Golf Sierra Mike. Do you have a copy? Negative contact. KO4 GSM clear.